Hello my people, in this video we will see how to check someone's TikTok following list. The first pass is obviously download the app, in this case TikTok. Open the app, right? And next we will go this page, your page, and select following here, following. In this page you will see all. The next is back, and for example in this case, in this page we go to the settings and privacy, select privacy and select following list. Here you can select who can see your following list. We have two options, only you or followers. You select the correct option, in this case follower, and that's all. If you like the video and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time.